EstVis significantly simplifies the interaction between employees during their work, for example, making a supplement request by bodytech. It's very convenient and effective to add a voice note to the supplement. And it's instantly sent to the estimator to make the necessary adjustments to the estimate. When bodytech or any other employee completes his part of work, he moves the repair order to the next bucket, using EstVis mobile app or workflow on the computer. Since EstVis takes over all the routine work, the employee can devote more time to his immediate professional tasks. Because EstVis includes functionality that directly motivates all employees to perform the maximum possible amount of work within a certain period of time. The so-called DFR concept implies an individual scale for each employee, or a collective scale for the team, for the amount of completed and potential work. EstVis automatically takes into account and shows the employee current indicators in real time, motivating him to fulfill the plan in order to receive additional cash bonuses provided by the employer. The employee responsible for the next repair stage sees the updates and receives all the necessary information at his workplace. EstVis allows to customize a lot of settings, so when the next repair order is moved to certain buckets, a corresponding notification is automatically sent to the customer. This can be push notification, SMS or email. EstVis meets the highest requirements in the field of software for collision repair shops. Find out about all of the features on our website and try it absolutely free for the first month.